Chapter 1. Introduction, from backend to frontend. In the past few videos, we have been working in the engine room. We set up the hardware, optimized performance, and discussed the economic models operating the Hyra AI network from the backend side. We successfully became the supply side of the train-to-earn economy. But what does all that work really enable? What does it look like from a user's perspective? Today, we will leave the engine room and step onto the bridge. We are moving from backend to frontend. This is your masterclass on connecting to the Hyra Network mainnet and interacting with its first flagship decentralized application. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will assume it is late 2025, and the Hyra AI Exchange DApp is live. We will go through setting up a wallet, connecting to the network, and for the first time, actually using the decentralized AI computing power that we ourselves, as node operators, have provided. This is when everything comes together. Chapter 2. Passport to Hyra. Setting up a compatible wallet. Before you can interact with any DApp on any network, you need a passport. In Web3, your wallet is your passport. Let's set one up. Part 1. Choosing and installing a wallet. In this tutorial, we will use MetaMask, one of the most popular self-custodial wallets in the world. If you already have it, you can skip this part. If not, go to metamask.io and download the browser extension. Guidance through installation, emphasizing the utmost importance of securely storing your seed phrase. Extremely important to note, never ever share your seed phrase with anyone. Write it down and keep it somewhere safe, offline. This is the master key to your assets. Part 2. Adding the Hyra network to your wallet. By default, MetaMask connects to the Ethereum network. We need to manually add the Hyra network to communicate with its dApps. Open MetaMask, click the Network drop-down menu, and select Add Network. You will see a form requesting some information. You can find the official details on Hyra's documentation page, but for this tutorial, here they are. Displaying a graphic with the following fields. O network name, Hyra Mainnet. O new RPC, URL, HTTPS, mainnet, Hyra assumed. O chain ID, 13037, assumed. O currency symbol, Hyra. O block explorer. URL, https briscan.io, assumed. Click Save. And just like that, your wallet can now speak the language of the Hyra network. Part 3. Funding your wallet. To pay for transactions, you will need some Hyra tokens in your wallet. You can buy them from a supported cryptocurrency exchange, or, if available, from a community faucet for developers. Once you have Hyra in your wallet, you are ready to explore the ecosystem. Chapter 3. Hyra AI Exchange. First look. All right, with the wallet set up and funded, let's navigate to the main event, the Hyra AI Exchange. This DApp is the storefront for the entire train-to-earn economy. It is where the demand side, developers and users, come to purchase computing services provided by the supply side, that is us, the node operators. The first thing we do on any DApp is connect our wallet. Find the Connect Wallet button. Click the button, a MetaMask pop-up appears requesting connection permission. We approve it. Now, let's take a quick tour of the interface. The Marketplace. Here we can browse hundreds, maybe thousands, of AI models registered by developers. We can filter them by category, such as text analysis, image generation, or data forecasting. Model profiles. Each model has its own profile showing its creator, reputation score, based on performance, average cost per computation, and its technical documentation. Your dashboard. This is where you can view the history of jobs you have submitted and the results you have received. This is a decentralized app store for artificial intelligence. Chapter 4. Demo. Using a decentralized AI model. Let's run a real task to see how it works. Our goal, We want to analyze the sentiment of a recent article about a new crypto regulation to see if it is positive, negative, or neutral. Step 1. Find the right model. On the exchange, I will search for sentiment analysis. We see a few options. This one here has a high reputation score and a low cost per 1,000 characters. Let's select it. Step 2. Submit the task. On the model's page, there is a simple interface. It asks us to input text. I will paste the article text here. Paste a text snippet. The DApp provides an estimated cost for this job in Hyra tokens. It is very low since this is a small task. Step 3. Approve the transaction. I will click Run Analysis. This does not immediately send the task. It triggers a transaction in our MetaMask wallet, requesting approval to pay for the computation. Notice how it works. The payment is locked in a smart contract. It will only be released to the node operator after their work is completed and successfully verified. This is the trustless nature of Web3. I confirm the transaction. Step 4. Receive the result. The DApp now shows Job in Progress. Behind the scenes, Hyra's orchestration protocol is finding the best available node, sending our text there and waiting for the result. A few seconds pass, and here it is. The result is back. Sentiment, negative. Confidence, 92%. Think about what just happened. Our request was sent to a random, anonymous node operator somewhere in the world. The computation was performed, and the result was returned to us in a verifiable way, all without a middleman. We just used a decentralized supercomputer. Chapter 5. For builders. Deploying an AI model on the exchange. For advanced viewers and developers watching, the exchange is not just for using AI, it is also for providing AI. The platform has a developer portal where you can register your own AI models for others to use. This process involves packaging your model using technologies like Docker, uploading the model to a decentralized storage network such as IPFS, and then registering the model's address with the Hyra Exchange smart contract. As a developer, you can set your own price per computation. When users pay to use your model, a portion of the fee goes to the node operator performing the work, and the majority goes to you, the creator. This creates a strong incentive for AI developers to build and deploy their models on Hyra, fostering a vibrant and continuously growing AI services ecosystem. Chapter 6. Conclusion: A vibrant economy. Today, we have filled in the gaps. We connected our personal wallet to the Hyra Network and used a DApp powered by the very nodes we learned to set up in previous tutorials. We are not just using an application. We are participating in a decentralized, vibrant economy. The DApp is the storefront where services are bought and sold. Smart contracts are the trustless escrow agents and cashiers. And we, the node operators, are the factory workers, the engine room, providing the valuable labor that makes it all run. This is the complete picture of the Hyra ecosystem. It is a symbiotic relationship between decentralized computing supply and AI service demand, all coordinated on a high-performance Layer 3 blockchain. If this tutorial helped you finally understand how all the pieces of Hyra fit together, show your support with a like and subscribe to the Hyra Deep Dive channel. In the next video, we will dive into another crucial piece of the puzzle, a step-by-step guide to safely buying and storing your Hyra tokens. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.